Welcome to Cheonggyecheon Stream, a peaceful urban oasis flowing through the heart of Seoul. Hidden between busy roads and tall buildings, this stream offers a quiet escape from the city above. As you walk along the water, the sound of flowing streams replaces traffic noise, creating a calm rhythm that invites you to slow down. Stone pathways follow the gentle curve of the stream, passing under bridges and beside shaded walkways. Locals stroll, couples pause to watch the water, and visitors sit along the steps, enjoying a moment of stillness. The city feels close, yet distant. As daylight softens, reflections from nearby buildings shimmer across the water. Lanterns glow, footsteps echo softly, and the stream transforms into a tranquil night walk. Cheonggyecheon is not just a place to pass through, it's a place to breathe, reflect, and reconnect. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this peaceful walk along Cheonggyecheon Stream, where nature and city life flow together in harmony.